Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide mini is Janie from the Dead West set. She was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with hull red for the dress and her blazer. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I start adding the mid-tone for her dress with Asmodeus red. This is going over all of the raised folds and the larger flat areas. For her blazer, I used fur cloak for the midtone and the highlight, as this is a slightly brighter colour than her dress in the artwork. Getting all of her exposed skin done, I grabbed Sunny Skin Tone. As with all of my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. Since he has blonde hair, I also used this as the base coat for that. Now for all of the parts I want to look white in the end, I went for a base coat of rock grey. To push her hair towards the final colour I want it to be, I went over all of the raised strands with sand yellow. Bringing up all of the raised parts on the white, I went over them with silver grey, just leaving that darker tone in the shadowed areas. She has a few small details around her that are in dark grey in the artwork, but these I used Death Reaper, which there isn't really a need for a highlight, so just a dark grey worked fine for these. For all of the metal parts, I went with plate armor. Getting the wash on her, I used Archaic Sepia wash over her face, hair and metal parts. Everything else on the Mini I left as is, as it looks like I want it to. Finishing up, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Janie. She came out pretty good for just 20 minutes of work. The only real thing is the white came out more grey than I would like, but that's an easy fix for future projects. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this Mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.